Hi, I'm Marisa Smith. I am here to talk to you about the talent and hiring team here at Xometry. I would say day to day, from a talent acquisition perspective, we are not only waiting on applicants that are coming through, because we are looking for very niche roles, perhaps sometimes in the engineering space. We are going out and sourcing candidates. We are looking at top industries or other marketplaces to find that top talent and really find that best fit for the company as well as the candidate itself. From a campus recruiting perspective, we actually do a ton of sales hiring. So really looking for folks that are interested to starting their career here in sales and learning what it takes to be a successful account executive or account manager across our different businesses, both Xometry as well as Thomas. I think of Xometry's mission every day. It really connects everything I do to a bigger picture. With every role we hire, I'm really thinking about how this is helping us disrupt the manufacturing industry and helping the global economy across. Follow us on LinkedIn to learn more about career opportunities here at Xometry.